To be a pioneer, you always have to stay ahead. For me, a pioneer is someone who is walking the paths where nobody has been before, with passion, emotion, curiosity, and with respect for your own values and ideas. The decisions we make today and the products we bring to the market are all based on gained knowledge and achievements from the past. From the first petunia from cuttings called Surfinia, the first Calibrochea, or pink poinsettias, to the first truly red Mandevilla. And now we are at the crossroads of introducing one more stunning innovation. We are looking forward to this day for more than 4 years. Because when we saw it for the first time, we were completely blown away. Get ready, here it is, the world's first double flowered Mandevilla, the Sundaville Double Blush Pink.